Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me introduce myself. My name is Nur Siti Kamaria Djibu, NIM 4424200027, Class Chemistry A. Okay, here I will explain about practicum zeolite synthesis from rice husk as. Zeolit are the dimensional silica alumina crystal formed from tetrahedral alumina and silica with cavities inside that contain metal ions, usually alkaline or alkaline soil and free-moving water molecules. One of the zeolite elements is silica. The quality of an element depends largely on its purity. Rice husks as has a very high silica content. Silica level in rice husks as range from 85 to 97%. Zeolite can be found naturally and can also be made with certain techniques. Method 1. Experimental tools: watch glass, beaker glass, measuring cup, drop pipette, spatula, measuring flask, mortar, analytica blanche, hot plate, and oven. Experimental materials: rice husks as, aqueous, filter paper, potassium hydroxide, aluminum sulfate. Experimental work scheme: Star wake heat the sample RHA as much as 20 to 5 gram for 3 comparisons, waking KOH with different composition as much as 5 gram for 375 to 375 and add 10 ml of water. Wake Al2SO4 375 gram for 3 comparison and add 10 ml of water each. The solution thickened. The thick solution is transferred into the watch glass and then diluted in the oven. Observe the change that occurs. Result and discuss. 1. Result. Treatment. Waking rice husks as in 3 comparison. As much as 75035 gram, 75024 gram, 7506 gram. Waking potassium hydroxide in 3 comparison. As much as 50306 gram for 3784 gram, 37677 gram. Waking Al2SO4 3 in 3 comparisons. It's as much 12520 gram, 12507 gram, 12510 gram. Making KOH solution for each comparison by adding 10 ml aqueous water soluble. Making Al2SO4 solution for each comparison by adding 10 ml aqueous water soluble. Mixing KOH solution with Al2SO4 solution and rice husks as each comparison is not dissolved in water sediment. Heating the solution for each comparison in a water bath. The solution thickens. Drying each sample comparison in the oven. Synthesis zeolite is formed in deep color and not stick. Discussion. In the experiment, rice husks as was was used for zeolite synthesis in the sample. The rice hook as used was taken from Heart Road number 2 for not Totok Tilong Kabila Bone Bolango Regency Gorontalo 96129 Indonesia. The zeolite synthesis experiment used a sample of rake hooks as because rake hooks are the largest source of silica. This experiment used rake hooks as weighing 20 to 5 grams for 3 comparison to 7.5 grams for each comparison. Then we held all 2 SO4 3 made in their comparison where of Al2SO4 3 is 375 grams to rated of 1 to 5 grams each. After weighing, we dissolve Al2SO4 3 using 10 ml of water. Then we weigh KOH made in 3 comparisons, 10 grams to 5 grams. The second rate of 878 grams to 4,375 grams, and the third rate of 7.5 grams to 7,375 grams. After weighing, we dissolve KOH using 10 ml of water. Next, mix rice hooks as with a solution Al2SO4 3 and KOH with its comparison. The result of this treatment is an insoluble solution and deposit are formed from rice hooks as this solution is called a heterogeneous solution. The reaction that occurs between Al2SO4 3 and rice hooks as is. Then reaction between KOH and rice hooks as is. The reaction that occurs between KOH, Al2SO4 3 and rice hooks as is. Mixing with Al2SO4 3 with KOH aims to dissolve foreign impurities found in rice hook ice, so it can increase the percentage of silica element in it. Material unweighted materials are experiencing the rate of the seal. Heating the solution over the water handler while stirring aims to make the solution quickly dissolve and thicken. The result of this treatment is that solution throws because of gall sap. This heating is done by stirring so that the clumping process occurs evenly. After thickening, then dry in the oven at 16.5 to 16.9 degrees Celsius for 1 hour until the sample dries until hard texture and pitch black. Conclusion: based on experimental results and observation, it can be said that zeolite can be synthesized in rice hooks as using KOH as base and Al2SO4 3 as an acid. It is indicated by the resulting from our zeolite microwave synthesis that runs at temperature can produce zeolite crystal synthesis after 16 minutes.